Hey everyone, Jacob from Dragon Tiny Homes here. I got an exciting video for you guys today. Earlier this year, we released our Arya 20. That was a model where we took everything we've learned over the last few years of building homes. Over 100 homes built, we took all the knowledge and put it into that house. And what we've done here today is made an Arya 24 foot. So it's the same design and similar layout, but we just have 4 more feet on the back end, which gives you a really big living space and actually turns this into an amazing home. So let's go inside and take a look and show you all of the unique features that we put into here. So as we come in, we enter into a galley style kitchen. Now the kitchen is really big in this house, a little bit larger than the Aria 20, but you still have the stainless steel sink and the induction cooktop, and then plenty of counter space over here. On this corner we have laundry, so you could put stacked washer dryer or a larger combo washer dryer unit in there. LG actually makes a really good 5 cubic foot combo washer dryer that would fit perfectly in here and then still give you room for hanging storage up above. We have a pantry cabinet right here, and then we have space for a refrigerator. Now we put a small refrigerator in here just because that's what we have to show you, but you can see you can fit a much larger fridge in here. And actually this size fridge, which is a 7 cubic foot fridge, can fit in the stairs right here. So if you wanted to do that, we could add another pantry cabinet here for you, giving you tons of enclosed storage in the kitchen here, and then you still have the refrigerator right here. Now in this space as well, if you wanted to keep it open, we could do a built-in oven or something like that, giving you even more kitchen space and appliances in the kitchen area. Again, these are the stairs that go up to the loft, so we have a loft up above. And then in the kitchen here, we just put some shelving on the wall with some nice LED lighting in it, just a cool feature. But here's the bar top. Now the bar top is a perfect place to sit and eat. So this is one of the things we've heard back from a lot of our customers about the Arya, is that they love the bar top, and so we've gone ahead and added that in this house as well. So over here, I have the couch now pulled out into a bed. You can see full sleeper sofa fits in here, so you can sleep 2 sets of people comfortably inside the Arya 24. And then even with the bed pulled out like this, you can see there's still quite a bit of living room space here. So you still have access to the bar over here, easy access up into the stairs. You can still keep the coffee table here that would be in front of the couch. And then when you're ready to put the bed away, it just folds back up, and then you have large open space again. So this house is great for entertaining guests. You can have friends and family over, hang out, cook a nice meal, enjoy, eat, and then when they're ready to sleep, pull the bed out, they have a place to sleep, and then in the morning, you just put it all away and you're back to where you started. So an awesome addition to this house, one of the largest living spaces actually we have in a home. And again, complemented by the large picture windows that we have on the 2 walls here, and then the high ceilings. It just feels really big, open, and comfortable in this house. I gotta say, this is one of the most comfortable homes that we've ever built, and it's just a treat to stay in. Up in the stairs here, we have the loft. It's an enclosed loft, or semi-enclosed loft, so we have the actual built-in partition wall. Gives you more privacy up in the loft. And if we go up into there, you can see up here in the loft just how much room there really is. So this is a queen size bed. I have tons of room over here in between the bed and the wall. You could put a TV up on this wall right here. We got outlets and stuff built in there ready to go. And then you could put plenty of storage over here as well if you wanted. Big loft space, and it's kind of private so that when you do have people over, they're not looking directly into your bedroom. As I come down the stairs here, you can see how big this house really feels with these tall ceilings and the bright lights from the open windows. So back down here in the living room, if I go back through the kitchen here, again, galley style kitchen, so it's in the middle of the house, I get into the bathroom. So this again is our standard bathroom that we do on most of our houses. We have the standard flush toilet, the 36-inch shower, and then the vanity here on the front. Again, compact bathroom that we always do, has all of the amenities you need, but then saves a lot of space on the trailer. So this is a great house, has a lot of the features that people have been asking for in a much larger package. And with the bigger living room, you have more room to have guests over and enjoy the space. So if you're a single person or a young couple, this is an amazing house to use. It's a great starter home, and of course comes at an affordable price.